welcome back. Standard 11 complex numbers. This is video number 2. Exercise 1.1 we were doing. We are done question number 3. Now we'll move for question number 4. Question 4. Express in a plus bi form. Express in a plus bi form. I am writing the question in short. And state the values of a and b, and state values of a and b. Number 1, the simplest one question I am taking first. 1 plus 2i into another bracket minus 2 plus I. So directly I will start with the steps. So this is 1 into minus 2 plus I. Now by this plus 2 I into minus 2 plus I. I am just distributing that multiplication. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus 1 into I is I. Now this minus 4i and this will be plus 2i square. So that is equal to minus 2. For this the addition will be minus 3i plus 2 into minus 1. The reason is I square is equal to minus 1. So that is equal to minus 2 minus 3i and this minus 2. This minus 2 and this minus 2 will be minus 4 minus 3i. So here I will write it is of the form, it is of a plus bi form, where a equal to minus 4 and b equal to minus 3. Here our answer is over. So after this I will take the third one. Second one I will just give the brief of it. 1 plus I into 1 minus I raised to minus 1. Raised to minus 1, this is nothing but 1 plus I upon 1 minus I. Negative power, below it will become positive. So I will rationalize the denominator. So 1 plus I upon 1 minus I into 1 plus I upon 1 plus I. Multiplying by the conjugate of denominator or rationalizing the denominator. Okay. Now this will be 1 plus I into 1 plus I is 1 plus I bracket square. Now here it a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. B is minus I bracket square, 1 square minus I square. That is equal to, now this I will open the bracket, a plus b bracket square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 1 plus 2i plus b square means I square. A square plus 2ab plus b square upon 1 minus I square means minus 1. Here I will write I square equal to minus 1. So that is equal to 1 plus 2i and this I square is minus 1. So here also I will write I square equal to minus 1 upon this 1 plus 1. That is equal to this 1 cut, this 1 cut, and this is 2i upon 2. That is equal to only I. But we have to write in the form of a plus bi. So that is equal to 0 plus I. This is a plus bi. It is of the form, it is of a plus bi form, where a equal to 0 and b is equal to, here it is 1. So 1. So hope that you have understood this question. Now we'll take the third one. Third one, let me see whether it is easy or difficult. It is also easy. So that I won't take. I will take the fourth one. 2 plus I upon 3 minus I into another bracket 1 plus 2I. I will first of all simplify the denominator. I am rubbing this. So denominator will be simplified, and that is equal to 2 plus I upon 3 into 1 is 3 plus 3 to the 6I. Now by this minus I. Minus I into 1 is minus I. Minus I into 2 is minus 2, and this I into I square. That is equal to 2 plus I upon, this will be 3, and this is plus 5I minus 2 into I square means minus 1. So here I will write the reason I square equal to minus 1. So that is equal to 2 plus I upon 3 plus 5I and plus 2. So that is equal to 2 plus I upon 5 plus 5I. So now I will rationalize the denominator. Here onwards multiply by 5 minus 5I, or you can take this common 2 plus I upon 5 into bracket 1 plus I. This way also you can do. If you want to take the common, take common, or you don't take common, that is up to you. So that is equal to 2 plus I upon 5 into. Now this I have to simplify. How to simplify? Multiply by conjugate 1 plus I. Multiply above and below by the conjugate 1 minus I, 1 minus I. Now if I am multiplying this way, so this will be 2 plus I into 1 minus this, 2 plus I into 1 minus I upon 5 into, this is A plus B, A minus B, 1 square minus I square. Directly you can write 1. Now that is equal to, now this multiplication by 2 I will do, 2 1s are 2 minus 2I. Now by this, I into 1 is plus I, and I into I is I square, and this is minus, so minus I square upon 5 into bracket 1 minus I square. So for that I have to write the value minus 1. This I square is minus 1. So that is equal to 2. This minus 2I plus I will be minus I minus value of I square is minus 1. So here I have written I square equal to minus 1 upon, this is 2 into bracket, 5 into bracket, sorry. This is 1 plus 1. So this is equal to 2 minus I minus minus plus 1 upon 5 into 2. Very baby steps I am taking, you need not take. Now this 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 minus I upon 5 to the 10. Now distribute the denominator. This is 3 upon 10 minus 1 upon 10 into I. It is of the form, it is of A plus BI form, where A equal to 3 upon 10 and B is equal to minus 1 upon 10. So this way your answer is. Now I will see whether there is any difficult sum. Yes, the sixth one is different, that we will do. Sixth one, not very difficult, but 3 plus 2i upon 2 minus 5i plus 3 minus 2i upon 2 plus 5i. Here do the cross multiplication. This is equal to 3 plus 2i into this 2 plus 5i. Now plus this into this. This is 3 minus 2i into 2 minus 5i. Now in the denominator, the product of these two, 2 minus 5i into another bracket 2 plus 5i. So this I will multiply by 3 to this bracket. 3 to the 6 plus 3 5 the 15. It has I. Now this plus 2 to the 4i plus 5 to the 10. I into I is I square, 10i square. Now this plus 3 to the 6. This is minus 3 5 the 15 I. Now this minus 2 into 2 is minus 4i. Now this minus into this minus is plus 5 to the 10 I square. Now this is a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. So 2 square minus 5i bracket square. So this is equal. Whatever it, suppose if you can cancel, you can cancel. This plus 15i and this minus 15i I will cancel. This 4i and this minus 4i, that I will cancel. Why to wait? Now this is 6 plus 10 into I square means minus 1. Or otherwise I will do this directly. 10 plus 10 is 20. This 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 20 I square. Directly we will do. 6 plus 6 12. 10 plus 10 20 I square. Upon 2 square is 4 minus 5 square is 25 and I square is I square. So here we will go. So that is equal to 12 plus 20 into minus 1. I square equal to minus 1 upon this is 4 minus 25 into minus 1, that is equal to 12 minus 20 upon 4 plus 25. So this is equal to minus 8 upon 29. Now here this is all the constant term and I have to express in the form of in the form of a plus bi. There is no a plus bi. So I will write it as minus 8 upon 29 plus 0i. I term is missing, that's why it is 0i. It is of the form, it is of a plus bi form, where the constant part, the real part is a equal to minus 8 upon 29 and the imaginary part b is equal to 0. Hope that you have understood this. I am rubbing this. If you want to take the screenshot, you should be fast. Instead of taking the screenshot, you just listen it carefully and do it yourself afterwards. Number 7, 1 plus I raised to minus 3. So this is negative power. I will make it as 1 plus I raised to 3. That is equal. Now you might have forgotten the formula a plus b bracket cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And if suppose it is minus, then this minus, this plus, this minus, alternate sign, plus, minus, plus, minus. So this also I will solve this way. A cube means 1 cube plus 3, a square means 1 square into b, b is I, this is 3a square plus 3ab square, a means 1, b means I, 3ab square plus b cube means I cube. So that is equal to 1 upon 1 cube is 1 plus 3, 1 square is 1, 3i plus 3 1 are 3, it is I square. Now this is I cube. I cube I will write as I into I square. The point means it is multiplication. Okay. So that is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 3i. This is plus 3. I square means minus 1 plus I. This I square means minus 1. That's why I have splitted it. So I square equal to minus 1. So that is equal to 1 plus 3i minus 3 minus I. Now it has become very simple. That is equal to 1 upon plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus 3i minus 1i plus 2i. Now I have to write in the form of a plus bi, but this is in the denominator. I will write like this: 1 upon 2 into bracket minus 1 plus 2i. Or I will take this minus also common. So this will become plus and this will become minus. While taking common, I have done a mistake. I have taken minus 2 common. So it is 1 upon 1 minus I. Change the signs. Now I will multiply by the conjugate minus 2 1 minus I into 1 plus I upon 1 plus I. By this I am multiplying. That is equal to 1 into this is 1 plus I as it is upon minus 2 into bracket a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square means 1 square minus I square. So that is equal to 1 plus I upon minus 2 into bracket Now this I will change this bracket because here I have to put the value 1 minus I square means minus 1. Here I will give the reason I square equal to minus 1. That is equal to 1 plus I upon minus 2 into this is 1 plus 1. So that is equal to 1 plus I upon 2 to the 4 minus 4, and this is equal to 1 upon 4. This is minus 1 upon 4 I. It is of the form. It is of A plus BI form, where A equal to minus 1 upon 4 and B is equal to minus 1 upon 4. This way you have to write the answers. Hope that you have understood this. Simplification everybody may do by the different ways. The last steps you can differ. Directly instead of this taking common, you would have done it. But why to make the sums complicated? So, the eighth one, 2 plus minus root 3 upon 4 plus minus root 3. There is no I. We can put it here I. That is equal to 2 plus minus root 3. I will write as this. Minus 1 means I square. This I will write as 4 plus root 3 I square. Or you can write it directly 2 plus root 3 I upon 4 plus root 3 this I outside. And here I will write minus 1 is nothing but I square. Now I will multiply by the conjugate. So that is equal to 2 plus root 3 I upon 4 plus root 3 I into the conjugate of the denominator 4 minus root 3 I upon also 4 minus root 3 I. Multiply and divide. That is equal to. Now I will multiply this. First of all, by this 2 I will multiply this whole. 4 to the 8. This will be minus 2 root 3. 2 into root 3 and I. Now by this I am going to multiply. Plus 4 root 3 I. By root 3 I am multiplying to 4. This minus and this plus, so minus. Root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. I into I square. See this, root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3 upon. Now this, A plus B, A minus B means 4 square minus root 3 I bracket square. That is equal. Now in this 2 root 3, 4 root 3, I is common. 2 root 3 plus 4 root 3 is 6 root 3. Don't forget the standard 9. 8 minus. This is 2 root 3. 2 root 3 I. This is minus 3 into minus 1 I square means. Here I square equal to minus 1 upon 4 square is 16 root 3 square is 3, so minus 3. I square is I square, that is equal to 8 minus 2 root 3 I minus into minus plus 3 upon 16 minus 3 into this is minus 1 I square equal to minus 1. So that is equal to 8 plus 3 is 11 minus 2 root 3 I upon this is 16 plus 3, that is equal to 19. So 11 minus 2 root 3 I upon 19. That I will separate 11 upon 19 minus 2 root 3 upon 19 I. It is of the form. It is of a plus bi form, where a equal to 11 upon 19 and b equal to 2 root 3 upon 19. It is minus 2 root 3 upon 19. So this way, this question is also wrong. Now everything is easy for you. I don't think the next sums are difficult. Just go on simplifying like this on the same similar terms, and that will be also easy. 10th is also easy, 9th is also easy. Some of the things you do, many of the things I will do. 11th sum I will. 11th sum is 4i raised to 8 minus 3i raised to 9 plus 3 upon 3i raised to 11 minus 4i raised to 10 and minus 2. This I have to split in the terms of I square. So I will write it as 4i square. I square raised to 4. Index raised to index multiplication of the indices 4 to the 8. Minus. This I will write as 3i into I raised to 8. Multiplication means addition of the indices I raised to 8 and this is I raised to 1. 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 3 upon. This also I will write as 3i into I raised to 10. In the table of 2 it should be. Minus 4. This is I square raised to 5. Index raised to index multiplication of the indices minus 2. So this is 4. This I square means minus 1 raised to 4. Minus 3i into this again I will write as I square raised to 4 to the 8 plus 3 upon 3i into this I will write as I square raised to 5 means I raised to 10 minus 4. I square means minus 1 raised to 5 and minus 2. Here I square equal to minus 1 that I have kept. So this is I raised to minus 1 raised to 4. Minus 1 4 times it will be positive. 1 into 100 times you do, it will be 1 only. So I raised to minus 4, it will be 1. Minus 1 raised to 4, it will be 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. All these are for even times. For even times the multiplication will be positive. So this is nothing but 4 into 1 minus 3i into minus 1 raised to 4. I square means minus 1 plus 3 upon 3i. This I square means minus 1 raised to 5. This minus 4 minus 1 odd times. So it will be minus 1 only. Minus 1 raised to 5 it is odd times. So it will be minus 1 minus 2. Here I square means minus 1, that I have kept. Now this 4 1 the 4. This is minus 3i. This minus 1 raised to 4 is 1 and plus 3. Go step by step. Take the baby steps. No mistakes will be there. 3i and this will be minus 1. 3i into minus 1 raised to 5 is minus 1. Now this minus into minus is plus. Plus 4 minus 2. So that is equal to 4 plus 3 is 7 minus 3i upon this will be, this 4 minus 2 will be 2. This I will write first and then this I will take minus 3i. Oh my God, once again there is I in the denominator. So what I will do, 7 minus 3i upon 2 minus 3i into 2 plus 3i upon 2 plus 3i, rationalizing the denominator or multiplying by the conjugate of denominator. So this, again I will multiply this. So 7 to the 14, 7 3 the 21 I. Now minus 3 to the 6i, minus 3 minus 9i square upon a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, a square minus b square, 3i. That is equal to 14. Now for this 21 and minus 6 is 15 minus 9, I square means minus 1 upon 2 to the 4, 3 square is minus, this minus, 3 square is 9 and this is I square. That is equal to 14 plus 15i minus this minus plus 9 upon this will be 4 minus 9 into I square means minus 1, I square means minus 1, that is equal to 14 plus 9 is 23 plus 15i upon 4 plus 9, that is equal to 23 plus 15i upon 13. That is equal to, separate the denominator, 23 upon 13 plus 15 upon 13 and this I. It is of the form. It is of a plus bi form, where a equal to 23 upon 13. Don't cancel this 3 cut. And b is equal to 15 upon 13. So this will be the answer. Somebody will do, sir, 23 upon 13, 3 cut, that is equal to 2. Don't do that. So here I will end this video. Question number 5 is in, then next I will go afterwards in video number 3 I will go for that. So now really good night. I am working in the night for you because in the daytime I don't get sufficient time.